Welcome to Street Tech Trading. In this session we are going to share about candlestick patterns. So guys, we have already learned about line chart. So if you are not watched our video, go to our website or to our channel and learn about the line chart, then you can continue with the candlestick patterns. So in this session we are going to share about the bullish candle, bearish candle, engulfing pattern, Harami and morning star, evening star. So all these patterns we are going to cover in this session. If you are beginner, what you have to do is you have to take a practice. You have to identify what is a bullish candle and which is a bearish candle. So for this you have to go to the chart patterns, select your candles. You can select either 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour candle or day candle, whichever. The day candle represents a whole day movement, high, low, close of that whole day. And for 1 hour candle, if you are selecting, it represents for a 1 hour. And if 5 minutes, if you are selecting, it represents 5 minutes high, low. Within that 5 minutes, what is the high, low and close? So for half an hour means half an hour's high, low and close is represents in the same way. So you go and identify what is the bullish candle and what are the bearish candles. Then you will find out how the market behaves according to the candlestick. The shaded part represents the body of the candle, and if it is in the green color, it implies that it is a bullish candle, and if it is in the red color, it implies that it is a bearish candle. Candlestick charts are used by the traders to determine possible price movement based on the past patterns. So price movement will be predicted, or to know the price movement trend of the market. So people uses this candlestick patterns. Traders uses this candlestick patterns. Candlesticks are useful when trading as they show 4 points: open, high, low and close. Throughout the period of time the trader specific. Many algorithms are based on the same price information shown in the candlestick chart. Traders is often distracted by emotions. So emotions only makes tradings, which can be read in candlestick chart. So we can read the mentality of the people, emotions of the traders in the candlestick patterns. The next we are going to learn about the bullish candle and the bearish candle. The green color candle is a bullish candle and the red color candle is a bearish candle. For a bullish candle, the criteria is the open should be in the low and close should be in the high, and for a bearish candle, open should be in the high and close should be in the low. So in that case it becomes a bearish candle, and for a bullish candle the opening will be in the lower end and the closing will be in the higher end. Bullish candle and a bearish candle. Patterns are separated into bullish and bearish. Bullish pattern indicates the price is likely to rise, while bearish pattern indicates the price is likely to fall. No pattern works all the time, as candlestick patterns represent trends in price movement and it is not a guarantee. The candlesticks represents who is taking the control of the price, whether the buyer or the seller. When the buyer takes the control of the price, the candle will be in the green color, and when the seller takes the control of the price, and the candle will be in the red color. So and it becomes the bearish candle, and when the buyer takes the control, the candle becomes the bullish candle. So by this we have learned who is going to take the control of the market, whether the buyer or the seller, how to identify. If the buyer is taking the control, the candle will be in the green color, and if the seller is taking the control, the candle will be in the red color. It means the seller is taking overhead of the buyer and the price is moving down, and if the buyer is taking the control, the price will be moving up.